Hi and Assalamualaikum. So today we want to explain history of architecture about three modernist eras, which are rationalism, streamline modern and organic architecture. Our group members, the first one is Wan Nur Alia Syahira binti Wan Ashri, 03 DSB 23F1010, and my name is Nur Ujina Najul binti Zuhaimi, 03 DSB 23F1013, and the last one is Nur Fahani Shazwani binti Muhammad, 03 DSB 33F1039. Introduction. Modernist architecture, which emerged in the early 20th century, focused on simplicity, function and new materials like glass, steel and concrete. It rejected ornamentation and embraced clean lines, open spaces and innovative construction methods. Influenced by movements like Bauhaus and the international style architects such as Le Corbusier and Mies van der Rohe created sleek, geometric buildings and shaped modern cities. This era set the foundation for contemporary architecture and design.
The first modernist era is rationalism. Modernist architecture during the nationalist era combined modern design with national identity. While modernism emphasized simplicity and new materials, many nations adapted it to reflect their traditions and aspirations. Emerging in the mid-20th century, this approach expressed independence and progress. Buildings from this time balanced modern technique with symbolic elements, blending global trends with local influences. The first rationalism building is Westsenhof Estate. Architects Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, lead planner, and others including Le Corbusier and Walter Gropius. While it represents rationalism, standardized housing design for efficiency and modern living, use of flat roof, white walls, and large windows for light and function, emphasis on industrial materials like reinforced concrete and steel, designed to be mass-produced, making it logical and systematic. The second one is Casa del Fascio. Architect Giuseppe Terrani. What it represents rationalism, pure geometric form with a grid-based facade, emphasize functionality and transparency with large glass sections, a mathematical modular approach to space and proportions, minimal decoration focusing on structure and clarity. The third one is Seagram Building. Architect is Ludwig Mies van der Rohe with Philip Johnson. What it represents rationalism, minimalist structural clarity, every element serves a function, steel and glass facade with a strict grid-based order, open interiors with logical spatial organization, form follow function, the building expresses its structure honestly. The fourth one is Van Nel Factory. Architect Brinkmann and Van der Valk. What it represents rationalism, a functional industrial building designed with efficiency in mind. Steel and glass facade allow maximum natural light for workers. Open plan design for flexibility and productivity. A logical modular structure based on engineering principle. The last one is the Bauhaus building. Architect Walter Gropius. Why it represents rationalism, built with pure function in mind, no historical ornamentation, rectilinear asymmetrical composition to optimize space, use of glass curtain wall, concrete and steel, strong focus on efficiency, modularity and modern technology.
Streamline modern, a late phase of modernist architecture, emerged in the 1930s and 1940s, inspired by the Machine Age. Evolving from Art Deco, it features smooth aerodynamic forms, curved edges and horizontal lines, reflecting speed and efficiency. Influenced by ships, planes and cars, it used rounded corners, glass blocks and chrome details with minimal ornamentation. Popular in commercial buildings and transportation hubs, it embraced progress while staying true to modernist function. Here are some of the streamlined modern buildings. The first one is architects Walter Ruderman and Welton Beckett. Features 4 style tower resembling fins, long curving facade with horizontal lines, green and white color scheme, serve as a major entertainment venue for sports, conventions and concerts. The second one, architects William S. Arrowsmith. Features curved corners and smooth stucco walls, horizontal bands of windows, neon signage with streamlined typography, a bold futuristic design representing the optimism of the era. The third building, architect George Valmere. Features smooth curved facade resembling an ocean liner, rounded corners and horizontal bands of windows, vertical tower-like structure above the main entrance, decorative sculpture and reliefs inspired by radio waves and technology. The fourth building, architect Felix Benitez Richards. Features inspired by the Art Deco ocean liner SS Normandy, porthole windows, curved balconies and streamlined railings, nautical themed interiors with luxury finishes, tall, sleek central tower resembling a ship's smokestack. The last building, architect William Delano. Features circular terminal with a streamlined aerodynamic shape, large mirrors depicting early aviation history, nautical design elements reflecting the influence of ocean liners, originally used for Pan Am's transatlantic seaplane clipper service.
The last one is organic architecture. Organic architecture blends building with nature, emphasizing fluid forms and natural materials. Popularized by Frank Lloyd Wright, it contrasts rigid modernist style with curved asymmetry and open spaces. Features like large windows, natural light, and sustainability create structures that feel part of the environment. This approach continues to shape contemporary architecture, promoting harmony between modern living and nature. First organic architecture building is Falling Water. It was built in 1939. The architect is Frank Lloyd Wright. Why it represents organic architect? The building is cantilevered directly over a waterfall, integrating the sound and movement of water into the living space. Uses horizontal planes and vertical masses that mimic rock formations in the area, designed to feel like an extension of the landscape rather than a separate structure. The second one is Casa Bertilo, 96. The architect is Anthony Gaudi. Why it represents organic architect? The building has an inductive facade resembling the movement of water and wave. Organic curve dominate the structure with no straight line, mirroring the forms of nature. The roof is shaped like a dragon's back, symbolizing St. George and the dragon, a key Catalan legend. The third one is TWA Flight Center, 1962. It was built in 1962. The architect is Eero Saarinen. Why it represents organic architect? The roof is a massive concrete shell, curving naturally like wings. 4 intersecting concrete vaults form the roof, supported by just 4 points, allowing for an open and airy space. Large glass curtain walls create transparency and a direct connection between passengers and the airplanes. The second last is Lotus Temple. It was built in 1986. The architect is Paribas Sahba. Why it represents an organic architect? The curving petal-like shells are made of reinforced concrete plate in white grit marble, creating a seamless natural aesthetic. The temple is completely symmetrical, maintaining harmony and balance in its designs. The circular pond and gardens surrounding the temple enhance the floating effect and symbolize tranquility. The last one is the Eden Project. It was built in 2001. The architect is Nicholas Grimshaw. Why it represents an organic architect? The biomass are self-supporting, using a hexagonal and pentagonal framework similar to natural cellular structures. The transparent ETFE, ethylene tetrafluoroethylene panels allow maximum sunlight while being lightweight and highly durable. Each biomass maintains a different climate, stimulating rainforests, Mediterranean environments, and temperature gardens. That's all from us. Thank you.